Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will be telling you the top 20 most unique and good tips and tricks for Motorola G57 Power. So let's start the video friends. So first friends, let's talk about this. So that how you can lock your PC with your smartphone. So first you have to go to settings, and then here you are in the search you have to write Smart Connect. You have to tap on here, click on preview dashboard. Here it is PC lock. Use Smart Connect to lock your PC directly from your phone or tablet. Click on pair device. From here you can, and Smart Connect cannot unlock paired devices, unlock directly on your PC. So you have to keep in mind, from here you can do it. So friends, trick number 2 is, that is how you can move your any files, folder, image using keyboard and mouse. So friends, let's talk about this. So first you have to click on Smart Connect settings. You have to tap on here it is cross control feature. You have to tap on here. You can move effortlessly between your PC, phone and tablet using just your keyboard and mouse. So friends, as you can see, it is the mouse, and when you just swipe left or right, the files will be transferred to this or your mobile phone or your tablet by just pairing the device. So this is how you can do it. Let's talk about our third tip and trick, how to launch your application directly to your PC or tab. So let's start the video friends. So friends, here it is the settings. Click on search. Here you have to write Smart Connect and tap on here, click on preview. Here it is app streaming. So you can launch your applications directly on your devices to check messages and receive calls and more. You can see this message will be showing in this tab also using this. So just click on next and pair a device, and apps can also be launched from your device app drawer. Press and hold on an app and select open on PC. Just you have to tap on it and it will be shown on your PC. How simple is that? So friends, let's talk about our fourth tip, that is how you can use your phone as a webcam for your PC. So friends, it is very simple. Go to your settings, click on Smart Connect, tap on here, click on webcam. So you can use your device camera for your crisp video call on your PC with built-in video effects. So you can see, to use the device as a webcam, select Smart Connect webcam as an input in your favorite video call app. So you have to just pair the device and it will be all set. So let's talk about our fifth setting, how to use bedtime mode. So friends, click on settings, click on modes. Here it is bedtime. You have to turn it on from here. Design a calming sleep routine, set alarm, dim the screen and block notification from here. So you can turn on now and regular your sleep schedule. So friends, from here you can enable it, and all apps notification will be blocked. Dim the screen. So friends, let's talk about our sixth tip, how you can enable Dolby audio effects in your Moto smartphone. So first you have to open your settings, then you have to click on this sound and vibration. So here when you just scroll down, you will see there are lots of features are here. So friends, you have to click on this Dolby Atmos. Here it will be showing you this Dolby Atmos delivers a premium listening experience through your phone's loudspeaker and connected device. So you can just turn on this. From here you can see use audio effects. From here you can enable it, so you will get a new and good experience while you using this feature. Friends, let's talk about our seventh setting. Friends, you can enable live captions in your smartphone. So you have to go to your settings, click on sound vibration, scroll down. Here it is live caption. So when you just enable it, so it will be showing you the live captions. You can see live caption text speaks on your device and automatically generate captions. So if you are watching YouTube video or any video, so it will be generating the live captions from here, and you can change the language from here, preference, hide priorities. sound labels and some of the things from here. You can enable and disable it from here. Let's talk about our next trick, how you can reduce background noise during calls. So just first you have to open your settings, scroll down, and you will see here it is sound and vibration. Scroll down, here it is showing this Crystal Talk AI, reduce background noise for voice calls. So you have to enable it from here. So when you are taking a call, so it will reduce background noise from it. Let's talk about our next tip, how you can enable haptics and vibration in your smartphone. So first go to the settings, click on sound and vibration, and here it will be showing you like this. Here it is haptic vibration and haptics. You have to just enable it from here, and now you can see it is enabled successfully. And when you just now do anything, it will take and give vibration and haptics in your smartphone. You can see when I just tap on it, it will be start vibrating. So let's talk about our next tip. So friends, next is how you can change your control center style. So first you have to just open your settings from here, and now you can see here it is home screen and lock screen. Tap on this control center, you will see one there is classic style and another is modern style. So classic is the normal, you can see over here this is the classic one, and I am just converting into modern style. So it's now converted. So you can see it's isn't it look like cool? So you can see here it will show you the data usage also, and if you are playing any song or anything, so it will be showing over here. And this is the new interference. From here you can change it. Let's talk about our next tip, how you can enable this Google feed in your Motorola smartphone. So friends, if you like news in your left corner, when you just swipe left hand side, it will show you your interest based news, games, and everything you do in your smartphone. It will be showing as a news for you. So friends, how you can enable that, you have to open your settings first, and then you have to click on home screen and lock screen. Tap on home screen, and it will be showing here swipe access. Click on that and click on Google feed. So you can see it is now enabled, and when you just swipe left hand side, it will be showing you your is interest based information. So there are new technologies, new phones that are upcoming in futures. It will be showing you all of the things are here. So you can enable it from here. Let's talk about our next trick, that is how limit your battery usage. You can enable just one settings to enable this feature, and it will save your more battery than ever. So friends, let's open the settings now, and then you have to scroll downwards. You will see here it is showing battery. You have to tap on here, it is showing adaptive battery, detecting when apps drain battery. So this is very useful features, you can enable it from here. So you can limit the battery for applications that you don't use often. So it is very good features. Some of the apps on the phone you often not usable and not useful, but you have installed it, so it will not drain your battery in that. So this is very useful feature, you can must try it in your smartphone. Let's talk about our next tip, how you can enable theft protection in your Motorola smartphone. So you can enable this feature to protect your device from various things. So you can just go to the settings, here it is security and privacy. Tap on here, it will be showing you this. There are lots of features here. So here it will be showing this. Tap on this device unlock, here it is theft protection. You can enable this feature to protect your smartphone if someone's uh, snatch your phone, so your device will be automatically locked using this feature. So this is the most useful features ever, you can enable this to protect your smartphone. So friends, let's move on to the next tip. So friends, that is digital well-being. So what is this? I will tell you. So you have to first open your settings, go to this digital well-being. Here it will be showing you all the data of your smartphone, which time you have used your application in your smartphone, how much you have used. So you can see today I have used it, the phone, that is 22 minutes. And what is that? That is settings, Google, other, smart connect, you can see. So you can see 3 times I have unlocked it, 7 notification I have received. So if you can, if you are a parent, you can check your uh, kids phone like this, how much the game you have opened or how many hours you are playing it. So you can also do parenting when you enable this feature. So you can see here you can find all the data of your kids phone. So you can see here it is showing, and you can see your previous day, screen time, notification received, and times opened. Let's move on to the next tip, friends, that is RAM boost. You can actually increase the RAM of your smartphone to reduce lag and increase the performance and speed of your Motorola smartphone. How you can do that, I will tell you. So first you have to open your settings, click on search, right here RAM boost. So it will be showing you can increase it at 16 GB. You can see the device memory is 8 GB and you can extend more 16 GB. So you can just get 24 GB more in that. So if you are a gamer, you have to know about that and you can enable this feature for better performance and speed of your smartphone. So this is the must, you can do it. Let's talk about our last feature, how you can copy your data of your phones from another smartphone very easily using this step. So this is the also a trick you can easily transfer. Just go to the settings, here it will be showing you backup or copy data. You can backup the data and bring data from another device very quickly and very easily. Just tap on here and it will be showing you that copy data from another device. You have to start it and pair the device, and all of the data from the another smartphones comes in this device in just seconds. So this is very useful trick. If you are changing your smartphone, you can definitely enable that. I hope you like this video, and if you want more video, just comment me down and like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.